Okay. Most of the time, you don't watch the videos, but I think this one's going to be worth watching. So, because most of the time you don't really need it, but I think that this one, this what we're trying to get at here is a little bit complex, and just as a reminder, this will be useful. So, we were just talking about what was that on Amazing Grace, and now we're talking about Oral E, some efficiency with the finger stuff. So I'm going to just bring the camera in right to the left hand, and we're going to talk about that. So I'm going to just use Oral E to do this. So because right on beat 2 of Oral E, we've got this, and just watch my left hand as it's doing this, right? I've got all of my fingers on the B string, and then these fingers come up and get ready, and then the other fingers relax. So I'm just going to do like I was saying earlier and kind of make a siren sound, because this transition is fairly challenging at first. And if you look at the whole hand, there's very little motion going on. It's very small, and as I like to say, quiet. It's just calm. And that's what we're looking for. And if I can show you, it's a little bit tricky, but oh look, no palming the neck either. Yeah. Okay, so let's see here. So there's that. Well, I'm a little too far over on the side. Let me do that. Okay, so okay, so here we go. Again, too far on the side. So here we go. Like that. So if this first phrase happens like this, no problem. And one thing I'll recommend is just releasing the pressure of the first finger right on beat 3 when you get to that G string, so that that note ends. And then you play the same thing again. Quiet technique. And then, this is one other thing that I want you to notice, is that as I go to measure 11, it's the last, or it's the first measure on the last line, I'm actually going to put all of my fingers on the string, so that when I go from this note, the D at the 3rd fret, to the C at the 1st fret, I don't have to make 3 moves at the same time. I don't have to release the 4th finger and put this finger down and play with the pick. All I'll be doing is releasing here and playing with the pick. It makes it a little bit simpler, and it guarantees that this finger's already there. This is totally standard descending scale technique. The weirdest thing about the guitar is that as we descend musically, as the notes go down, they actually, on the instrument, go up towards the sky. But as you see, if I just play, I'm going to do that a little bit slower. Like when I get to the D string, which you're just learning now, oh, I prepared, look, all my fingers are on the string. And then when I get to the A string, I'm also putting this finger right there so that it's ready to go. If I started on the high E string, it's standard descending technique. We just prepare the fingers. It just makes it a little bit easier to make the transition timing wise. So I would have you be very aware of that on measure 11 on Oral E, which looks like, and then I'll continue. Very quiet. I'll play the whole thing. There you go.